Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today is Makeup Monday. I am so glad to have you guys back. The response for Makeup Mondays has been great. Thank you so much. Because it's been so great, I decided to do a giveaway today. Okay, so the items that I have are going to be this cute little makeup bag that says Selfie Prep Kit. Super cute. And inside the bag, you'll find your very own Morphe by Jeffree Star Crease Blending Brush. This is the JS13. And we're gonna see if we can get a close-up of that. You'll also receive the eye palette that I used today. It is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose. I bought 2 of these. I used one for the video and I have a second one for you. There's the colors. Very pretty, very pigmented, and only $7 at Ulta. I thought that was a steal. That's the regular price. So this is the look that I created. You guys have been asking me to do a look that was less colorful, more neutral, something that can go from day to night, something that was easy, quick, good for on the go to work or on the go to school, just something nice and easy. And this was the look that I created. Just a nice soft look. Again, something easy to go from day to night, kind of glammy, but not bright and out there and saying, hi, how are ya? Anyway, if you want to win the giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Leave me your Twitter or IG handle so that I can contact you if you are the winner. We will let this go for 1 week. I will also announce the winner in next Monday's episode. But again, just to go over the prizes, you will receive the Selfie Prep Kit makeup bag, the Reloaded Velvet Rose from Makeup Revolution, and a Morphe by Jeffree Star blending brush. Alright guys, before we get into the tutorial, just want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to, that really helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, we're going to do a couple quick photos because my camera died. We're going to take an e.l.f. blending brush and pick up color number 7 here first. And on a primed lid, place that right above the crease. Then on another e.l.f. blending brush, pick up color 14. And place that in your crease. It can go a little further down if it needs to. And just do small circles where the 2 colors meet to make sure you're getting a good even blend. You can always go back in with the first color and just put it in there some more and continue to do small circles and blend it out to make sure the color is nice and pigmented. With a more squared off brush, this is a Morphe brush but the numbers are written off. I don't even know what they are anymore. We are going to go in with color number 3. We just want to place that in the outer V of the eye just to add some depth. And then we'll just pick up our blending brush from earlier and just make sure that the edge of that is nice and blended. And to cut the crease, I'll be using Colourpop's No Filter Concealer. I'll be using a Morphe M421 brush to go ahead and do that. I cut my crease by adding some of the concealer right to the middle of my lid and then just kind of moving my eye around to find that highest point. And as you guys know, I do have hooded eyes, so I'm going to go slightly higher than that mark it made. And then I'm just going to slightly stamp my eye, and I'm going to go all the way out to the outer edge as far as I feel like the next color should go, and all the way into the inner corner. And then using a clean finger, I'll just rub that edge just to make that harsh line kind of go away. I'm going to go ahead and tap in color number 3 right on that edge. just to help blend that concealer in better. And then right next to that, we'll buff a little of color 14. On a nice flat brush, you want to hit that with some setting spray. I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte. And we're going to pick up this gold, it's color number 2, and just go ahead and start packing that anywhere you still have concealer. Alright, I've put on my face makeup, I've put brown liner in my waterline, and now I'm just going in with color number 3 and stamping that right under my waterline and then blending that out. And then just under that, I'm going to buff it out with color 14. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M431 and I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer. It's color 11. I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. I do wish they had more of like a white shimmer shade, but this one will do. And then I'm also going to place some of that right there against my brow bone. For lashes, I'm going to go with Ice Cream Lashes. How cute is this packaging? Although I think they recently changed that. Either way, I'll link them down in the description box below. I have 2 different styles here. This one is Caramel, which is the one I think I'm going to go with today. And then I wanted to try this Glitter Topper by L'Oreal just to see how that worked. Alright guys, so here is our finished look with liner, mascara, lashes, that glitter topper, which I don't really see in the false lashes, but you can see it a little bit in the lower lash line. Alright guys, let me know what you thought of this look. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!